Namaskar, hi there. Welcome to the Wandering Foodie. Um, After our last videos, one of my friends told me that why don't you guys go and do videos about these smaller restaurants जिनके बारे में सबको पता नहीं होता. I said why not? And during these lockdown days where most of us have swiggied, tons and tons of places, I'm pretty sure we have come across these small restaurants or diners which are really good and they serve good food at affordable prices. So we are going to try 5 different cuisines over the next 5 videos, where we will try these small nice little restaurants which serve good food and are a little bit easier on the pocket. So let's start. Don't be afraid. Although I call myself big author after Lord Bean, doesn't mean I'm going to eat this entire thing. No way. Okay. This is just to make sure that we order the best items from this place. So today we are going to look at Indian Chinese, more specifically Calcutta Chinese, which includes rolls, this fried rice, noodles, and chilies, which basically is chili chicken, chili paneer, stuff like that. And as an extra guest, they have this bowl concept because the restaurant is known as rolls and bowls. So we have got a bowl as well, which is basically a jeera rice and a paneer tabakla. So that's what we have here. Now, without further ado, let's dig in and find out what this little nice place has in store for us. And क्योंकि हम लोगों ने खाना ऑनलाइन मंगवाया है, let's first check out the packaging.
Now, how is the packing? So here is the jeera rice with paneer, and there you have the vegetable roll. You have the paneer Manchurian. You have the veg fried rice. You have the veg noodles and the chicken fried rice. You have the chicken roll and the dried chili chicken. Everything looks normal. Nothing has spilled out. So basically, the packaging is pretty good. It's solid. It's not gonna fall out. One good thing is that this whole thing was like kind of boxed into 2 different brown paper bags, which were also sealed, and they were completely dry. That means after they put in or packed in the food, nothing had actually spilled over. I'm gonna do a test and then just take this thing and turn it over just to see if anything else is coming out. As you can see, nope, nothing. So this is safe. And it is very important when we are ordering food, because I know how messy it gets, right, if something starts spilling over.
So now we come to the interesting phase, tasting the food. So what we'll do is we'll start off with the rolls. So rolls, if you don't know rolls, भाई तो कोलकाता में रोल्स इतने ज़्यादा फेमस है क्या पता है. देखते हैं इसमें कैसा लिया है. यह टिपिकली वेजिटेरियन रोल है. इसके अंदर पनीर टिक्का का स्टफिंग है. काफ़ी मतलब तगड़ा पराठा है. लेट्स गो एंड टेस्ट इट. This is good. Why it's good? First of all, it's very fluffy, and there are paneer is genuinely there, so you're not gonna feel any dearth of paneer or anything like that. The gravy is a little bit tangy, so I think they have just not put whole paneer chunks in there, but they have also put with some kind of a gravy that they have made, kind of a sauce. I don't believe it's a tomato ketchup or anything like that. It's kind of their own sauce. It's pretty tasty. It's tangy. It's not at all spicy. So I think if you ask them to put additional chilies and all, they'll make it for you. But typically, I mean, out of the blue, if you don't order them, you don't mention anything else, they will typically not give you a spicy roll. So this is great. Now comes the chicken roll. Now this is not your run-of-the-mill chicken roll. This is the egg chicken tawa roll. As you can see by the size, this is actually pretty, healthy. I mean, the roll is healthy. It is not really healthy for you, so don't eat a lot. Let's try this out. Now we're talking. Again, the paratha is same as the other one. It's fluffy. It's laced with onions and green chili and all that. There are bell peppers. Again, this is a tawa roll. This is not a tikka roll. It's not a chicken kebab roll kind of a thing. This is more of a tawa roll. So it has got boneless pieces of chicken, smoothened out with a tawa kind of tawa kind of sauce, and it has got bell peppers in it, which gives it that additional flavor. It's pretty good actually. Yeah, for people who watch Bengali movies, do you know what Khokon likes? He likes chicken, chow mein, and chili fish, right? In this particular case, however, we haven't done that with that combination. We have taken the national dish of Bengali Chinese or Kolkata Chinese, which is fried rice and chicken, chili chicken, and then we have taken it the same thing for the vegetarians, the veg noodles and the paneer Manchurian. So let's make a nice dollop of noodles. So the best thing about these noodles is, the veg noodles that is its simplicity. It has green onions, soy sauce, black pepper, cabbages, onions, loads of flavors. It packs a punch, loads of flavors, but very very simple to make. Now let's look at the paneer Manchurian. That's big. It is pretty good. This sauce is actually very nice, and it is tasty. It is tasty as well. Normally, sometimes what happens is your paneer doesn't get, the sauces are not that great, so the paneer tastes bland. This is not the case with this king. This thing is good. Pretty nice. I can't wait to get a little bit of that bell pepper mixed in with all this noodly goodness, and then just make it all about a bit. और पता है ऐसे नूडल्स रोल करने से ना स्ट्रेस कम होती है. So two things. First of all, the bell pepper is crunchy. It's not completely mushily cooked. And for Chinese items, I think it's the correct thing to do. You definitely want that crunch, that bite, because that bite with the tanginess of the sauces and everything, and it kicks in with the capsicum or bell pepper juices, and then with that, the fresh noodles, good combo. Look at the fried rice. Carrots check, green onions check, diced carrots actually check, eggs check, chicken check. So this has everything that a chicken fried rice Kolkata style needs to have. Let's taste it. You always should taste the fried rice, on its own, at least at once. And you should wait, right, for the veggies to kick in, the bite of the chicken to come in. To me, I can have fried rice just on its own. I don't need anything else to have it with. But the iconic chili chicken never disappoints. So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to dig in and get some more sauce out of this. Now typically, I like my chili chicken served dry. That's what I've done here. Normally a lot of people like gravy as well. So you could have ordered the gravy. But let me see how this turns out to be. I'm getting the spiciness, I'm getting that oomphy salt and soy sauce tanginess as well. Chicken is cooked nicely, there's no problem with that. Overall, I think the fried rice is pretty great as well. I'm not disappointed. And frankly speaking, this is kind of comfort food for us. And Indian Chinese food, it's great. तो ये इंडियन चाइनीज़ और ये नुक्कड़ चाइनीज़ या फिर गली चाइनीज़ जो भी कहें, it is one of our favorites. I'm pretty sure it's one of the most popular sub cuisines in entire India. We enjoy it. We enjoy this hole in the wall places. So we did enjoy rolls and bowls. I would give a thumbs up to it. And अगर आपको हमारी ये वीडियो अच्छी लगी है, then please like, please comment, please subscribe. अगर नहीं अच्छी लगी है तो ज़रूर कमेंट and let us know what our shortcomings are, so we will try to fix it in the future. Stay safe during lockdown, my friends. and don't venture out unless and until it's absolutely necessary. Obey the laws, and I hope we will all be safe and sound on the other side of this. Namaskar.